Solar power allows you to generate your own power, which subsidizes your usage from the grid. Now, a lot of people think that's off-grid, but it's not. You get three different types of systems in solar. One, that is a grid-tied solution. So grid-tied essentially means there's no battery backup. If the grid goes down, so if there's load shedding, your system's going to go down. It's a financial solution. It doesn't solve load shedding problems. It's a good investment, and it's purely based on financial terms, as I said. The second solution is hybrid. Now, hybrid, we're seeing a far bigger demand now with load shedding. Essentially, it's a grid-tied system with battery backup. Now, you can size your battery however big you want. If you want lights running, or a couple lights, then your battery solution will be a lot smaller and a lot cheaper. But if you want to run your whole company or your whole home for 3 hours over the load shedding period, then it's going to cost more. But you've got battery backup, which is for load shedding, and you can use it in some industrial and commercial applications for peak shaving, but it's not off-grid. You've got battery backup, but it's not off-grid. Now, the third option in solar is off-grid, and it's exactly it. It's off the grid, so there's zero grid connection. You've got solar, you've got your solar array, your PV array, which has to be increased because you now need to charge up your battery. You've got a battery bank, which will be substantially bigger than a hybrid system. And then you've got a generator for days when there's too many consecutive days of cloud. On top of that, you now need to integrate all of those. So financially, it's a big investment. If you're in the bush and you've got no grid connection, off-grid is definitely the way to go, off-grid solar system. But if you have grid connection, then off-grid is not going to be a financially viable solution for you. It's going to be more grid-tied or hybrid. At Magnet, we specialize in solar and backup power. So give us a call and let us know how we can help you.